yeah, I think this video is going to be a little bit different. I'll give you an update here. If you haven't seen the other videos, go check them out. My first ever YouTube videos, so I'm still figuring out what do I record, what do I leave in. How do I edit it? So just figuring stuff out right now. And I think this video, I haven't had a lot of content, wrenching on it or doing anything like that. So I might try to do like a little, what do you want to call it, montage, some little edit put together, just play around, learn something, and show you all the updated things that we have done. So yeah. All right, here we are back with the Ranger through a 2-spot project, and I haven't been recording a whole lot, just doing little stuff. We went to the junkyard last weekend. And then it was kind of just cold and windy. I picked up this $3 Pennsylvania hoodie from Walmart. That was a good yard hoodie. It actually sucks, but it's a good shop hoodie. It's not too warm. And it's $3. I can destroy it, and you let them know. Pennsylvania. But we got the Ranger here. Tom Speed. He's been working on it a little bit. He actually undid a lot of stuff that we did, like the timing chain cover and the water pump. I will show you that now. So he put a different timing chain cover on it, a different water pump on it. I have my single wire converted alternator there. So I believe that's like a Chevy style single wire, but it's got the Ford mounting locations. So he did all that. Got the intake manifold mounted, installed, gasketed, all that. I found headers for this exact swap. They're the Hedman Hedders. I can throw part numbers up on the screen here. But I actually found them on Marketplace for $150. They're sitting in a barn, never even installed on an engine. You can see this side is different from the other side. They're 1.5 inches, so they're going to choke this engine up a little bit. But in the words of Freiberger, don't get it right, just get it running. That's what I'm trying to do. In the future, I will probably do 1 5/8 plumbing and send it that way and wherever I can over there. But yeah, as you can see, we got the radiator in. Some engine stuff's been going on. We're right now trying to figure out that puzzle, the remote mount oil filter location. So yeah, some things have been happening with the Ranger. Yeah, like I said, I haven't been recording a whole lot. I was out there, did some light work on Shane's car. I touched Grace's Mustang for like half an hour. And then my Mazda, I actually fixed that. I got that running again. Then I probably should have been recording because I poked a hole in the gas tank. But so that's going to be a whole thing. I'll do a video on those cars sometime. But right now the main focus is the Ranger. All right, there we go. Passenger side header is on there. One thing I think I forgot to mention was to get these headers to fit, that factory mount there on the engine block, old Tom Speed took the cutoff wheel and just kind of notched that corner. I don't know if you can see it there, but just the clearance a little bit, and that's all it took to make these headers fit with the Transdap kit, Hedman headers, and a slight cut of the corner on that factory mount. All right, got the driver's side header on, gasketed. I got gasket goop on there. I gooped it up on both sides with that copper gasket maker, high temp stuff. And the reason I did that is because I don't want to have to take this off again for a blown gasket or it's leaking. Because we took as you can see, we took the manual steering box off. That was the play with the remote oil filter, which we got to figure out. We're playing around with that. But yeah, disconnect the steering shaft, and it's not a big deal. I just don't have to do it again. At least not until winter, hopefully. So yeah, got that on there. I got a little bit smarter with that side, and the gasket is designed to go down over the two end bolts. So that one over here, I didn't do as intelligently, but the headers are installed. They are on. So I think that's probably what I'm going to call it for the weekend. All right, I hope you guys like that edit. That was my first time doing something like that. I'm filming this outro not knowing what I've done already, so might be doing this for no reason. I don't know. But yeah, started the video. I just kind of rambled a little bit, trying something different. So hope it was cool. We'll see. We'll see how it pans out. But all right, thanks, guys.